Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, I've decided to start taking the top off. So, start with the head assembly. Remove 4 Allen screws along with the rubber seals on the inlet and exhaust rocker covers. Remove the inlet and exhaust rocker cover down and rubber gaskets. So these are 5mm. I'm not sure how tight they'll be. Quite tight. I do have longer Allen keys, but I can't get in with the gap on this side. Just make sure they're seated all the way in. And with the music, I wrote half a dozen songs and I couldn't pick an ideal tune. So some's rockabilly, some's a bit more rock and roll. I have like 4 or 5 songs with the exact same words but different style of music slightly. I'll bring you back when I've got them undone. Okay, I've loosened them off and I've decided to get 2 containers, one for the exhaust, one for the inlet, just to keep everything separate. And then it says to remove the 4 Allen screws on each of the rocker bearing, inlet and exhaust. This is a song about the vault. Well, I don't know how much you saw of that because when I looked up the camera was off. Took the top off, took the 4 bolts that hold these on, took those covers off, the rocker arms, the 2 push rods, put them in, separated the exhaust side from the inlet side, and now I will get ready to remove the head as the next step. Okay, the book says these come off, so just a piece of wood and a cut. I think they're sitting on dowels. And it says remove these dowels if they are loose. And it also did say keep the exhaust and inlets separate because parts are different, including the length of the push rod. It did say these can be reused, but I do have a whole new set. It said if there's no leaks,